Hi, Google's Fitbit Air can be worn on either arm you prefer. Here it doesn't actually matter at all whether you put it on the left or the right arm. What does, however, matter is that you have defined in the app whether you are wearing the Air on your dominant, as in the one you are using for writing, throwing things, etc., arm, or your non-dominant arm. Here the Fitbit unit then uses this setting to better judge, for example, steps and other movements that tend to differ between the dominant and non-dominant arm, to get a more precise reading of your activities. To access this setting, make sure that you have set up your Air and connected it to your phone and the Google Health app. Then in the app, click on the device list up to the left and then select the Fitbit Air unit. Here, click on Device Preferences and then change the wrist preference setting to reflect whether you are wearing your Fitbit Air on your dominant or non-dominant arm. Alright, that is about that. Please don't share any thoughts or questions in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching. Bye.